like the biggest idiot when I whipped around this corner trying to get this shot, tripped over something, slammed into the glass. I had to put ice. They were trying to get ice in a foreign country.
You had a war story.
I did. And I like making content to really share my perspective, which is I do appreciate the glam of it all. And I never...
She's back.
Helen Polise,
the most influential TikTok teacher of our time, inspires millions to show their true selves on social media by teaching the art of content production with just a smartphone.
I think the audience feeds the creator and vice versa. And that's, I think, what a lot of people are making a mistake about. What do you want to share? What do you feel so excited about? What do you feel that you can help people with? And even if it's just by entertaining them, what is that drives you? That's the part that people have trouble tapping into because they're trying to...
if you're trying to go viral, what's the first thing you should be thinking about?
Things that are most successfully viral, they usually hook you in the first 3 seconds, but they also...
AI is playing a greater role.
AI is learning, but it can't be us. It's different. I cracked the code on how it helps me. I'm just hoping that we can figure out a way to use it as a world that's more productive and not destructive.
What have you found that's given you just a little bit of peace of mind?
There's a skill set I have that I am tapping into at a different level. And it's not production, and it's not teaching, and it's none of those things. It's